Alright, so here is my fabric project for this class. And so you see here I got a nice denim apron. And so I got some pockets right here. And there's some strings sticking out from here. Because it's my first time sewing like a project, I guess, besides like a pillowcase I made in middle school. And so it's been a while. And so, yeah, just a little bit of strings, but, pockets. They still work. I got, made sure stitches, back stitches, some a little more back stitching than others. But first time, it's a great project to like learn how to sew, because sewing is kind of like fabric welding a little bit. And so you also see some burn marks on this. That's because when me and one of my friends, we tried to get rid of like all the tiny little strings by taking a torch to the denim and then just burning it off. And so that's what these little brown marks are on it. It's not dirt or mud or anything like that. It's actually just burn marks. But on the other side, one of my buddies gave me some excess fabric that he had that he didn't want. And so the other side is actually Go Big Red, some school spirit. And so that's kind of the other side of this. There's no pockets on this side because I didn't have enough material for to get it. This is kind of like a last minute addition that I thought would be pretty cool to have. And so I'm trying to do this with one hand. It's a little tricky, but yeah, you can see pretty much the same thing as last time. And so right here I got my stitches. First time stitching, I try to stitch a little bit close to the edge. This is actually you probably see it better because I stitched on this side more. And so I don't know if you want to see that in like great detail or not, but yeah, that's kind of my whole sewing project for this. And so yeah, so I guess thanks for watching.